Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over a working capital loan provided by First Citizens Bank. I'll go over some data points as well as some basic requirements. For those that don't know who First Citizens Bank is, they work with a lot of small businesses providing funding. We'll jump over to their site in a moment. They offer a wide variety of business banking, business loans, business working capital, business credit cards. But for this video, we're just going to cover the working capital loan. You can get up to $250,000. So let's jump over to their page here. The link will be in the description below if you want to apply for this or get in contact with them. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy to fill out. It's not a long application initially. So as I said, you can get up to $250,000. You can use it to purchase inventory, get equipment, technology, improve temporary cash flow, expand your marketing, supplement working capital. So the rates will depend on your loan terms and credit review. So for this working capital loan, the repayment schedule is going to be either daily, weekly, or monthly payments that will be deducted right out of your business checking account. The basic requirements is U.S. business in good standing, operating for over 1 year, which that's good because I'll tell you, there's quite a few underwriters require 2 years or more in business. So this one only requires 1 year, and you need to have annual revenue of 200,000 or more. So that's gross, not profit. So this working capital loan may not be for everybody due to the fact that you have to average around 16,000 a month in gross business revenue coming in. However, say you had some months that were better than other months. If you did say 10,000 one month, but then a prior month you did 20, 30,000, they'll take all that into consideration. So you're just going to be pretty much on pace to be doing about 200,000 a year, and you could qualify for this. Your personal FICO score needs to be 600 or higher, which that's not very high. So that's pretty decent. They likely are going to be pulling Experian personal. And they may be looking also at your Dun and Bradstreet and your Experian business. But the main thing is going to be your business revenue and your personal credit score. This is going to be a personally guaranteed loan. However, it should not be reporting on your personal credit report whatsoever, unless you defaulted, of course. So if you're interested in this, to find out more, to see if you qualify or not, the link will be in the description below or in the comment section. So when you come to this page, all you have to do is just go down to here. You'll see, do you own a business? You select yes. You put your company name, first name, last name, business email address, job title, phone number, your credit score range, how long have you been in business, and your annual revenue. And then you're just going to hit submit, and then a representative will get back with you pretty quickly. They'll go over the actual application with you, and you can further ask any particular questions that you might have. So after you hit submit, a representative from First Citizens Bank will be in touch with you pretty quickly. And at that time, when they reach out to you, they'll see if you can qualify for this business loan. Or again, the link will be in the description below. Just check it out. So real quick, let's jump over to their main site, and you can see just the wide variety of business financing, funding options they have. So they have credit cards, business financing, equipment financing, SBA loans. So if you go over their credit cards, business credit cards, they have several of them you can choose from. Again, you can talk to the rep about interested in any business cards. You can talk to the rep. I'll be making future videos about their business credit card products. And that's about it for this video. If anybody is interested in my one-on-one business credit mentorship, you can see below. You can text me 937-423-9954 for a free consultation. I have 4, 6, and 12-week one-on-one business credit mentorship spots available, and payment plans are available. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.